Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel where we decode global sourcing and help you to grow your import-export business. Today's topic is milky powdery and a full of profit potential. We are diving into milk powder industry, how it's work, where the opportunities are, and why sourcing from India might be your smartest business move. Whether you are a food manufacturer, a sourcing agent, or someone looking to start a dairy based private label, stick around. This video will leave you a full roadmap. What is milk powder? Simply, it is liquid milk that is being evaporated into a dye form. Make it easy to store, easy to transport, and use without refrigeration, but still packed with its all essential nutrition like protein, vitamin, and calcium. It is a must have ingredient across multiple industries. Let me show you how. Industrial uses, from infant formula to bakery goodies, ice cream to protein supplement, milk is everywhere. In the food industry, milk powder is used everywhere, from ice cream to candies. In healthcare, it is a base for nutritional supplements. Even in cosmetic, it is used for milk infused skin products. And if you have had tea or coffee at hotels, hospitals, and offices, there is a good chance it was milk powder that made it creamy. Who should be buying this? Now, let's talk about the ideal buyer. This is goldmine for health food brands, ice cream producers, baby formula company, institutional buyer like school and hospital, even government nutrition programs. Basically, anyone who want a self-stable dairy-based ingredient. Global market overview. The milk powder industry growing fast. The market size projected to exceed $38 billion by 2025, growing at a CAGR around of 5.2% from 2024 to 2028. And here is where the action came. Top exporter: New Zealand, USA, Germany, Netherlands, and India. Major importer: China, Philippines, UAE, Algeria, Indonesia. The demand is especially high in regions like the Middle East, Africa, and Southeast Asia, where refrigeration is limited but daily consumption is rising. Why India is a sourcing powerhouse? Let's zoom in on India, a country that is produce over 220 million metric tons of milk every year, the largest in the world. And here is why sourcing from India makes sense. Low production and labor cost, diverse production rate, SMP, WMP, fortified organic, certified factories with ISO GMP FSI approval, plus FTA with MENA, Africa, Asia. Major dairy giants like Amul and Mother Dairy leading the way. Quality of a high grade milk powder. When sourcing, you need to know what good quality of milk powder actually look like. Low moisture under 5% to prevent spoilage. Protein content 34% for SMP and 26% for WMP. Fat level depends on type, but consistent fat percent is the key. Solubility should dissolve instantly without lumps. Color and texture creamy white free flowing powder. Microbiological safety free from pathogen E. coli and Salmonella. Certification FSI ISO 22000 GMP and preferably halal or kosher if exporting or to MENA or religious sensitive region. If your supplier can't meet this standard, walk out. Type and grade. SMP skim milk powder, best for health food industry. WMP whole milk powder, best for beverages and desserts. instant powder, retail ready and instantly dissolves. Fortified, added with extra nutrients. Organic, sourced from certified farms, ideal for baby food and premium lines. India's export data. In 2024, India exported 130,000 metric tons of milk powder, worth nearly 380 million USD, with top destinations like UAE, Bangladesh, and Nigeria. That is a solid indicator of trust and demand. Things to watch before buying. Before you hit that order button, check for certification FSSAI IS, lab reports, microbial, chemical, fat and protein specification, shelf life and packaging. Nitrogen sealed is the best. SMP versus WMP. Choose based on use and always verify your supplier's traceability. Why it is a smart business? Here is why this product is great for B2B. Longer shelf life and low storage cost. Higher profit margin, 15 to 35% of profit margin. Easy to repack and private label. Growing demand in cafe, hospital, hotels, offices, gyms and bakery. They are perfect for niche startup looking to stand out in FMCG. Niche byproduct. There is a byproduct boom happening too. Whey powder, high protein, big in fitness. Cheese powder, snacks, sausage, and pizza topping. Yogurt powder, used in dips, snacks, and health food. They are perfect for niche startup looking to stand out in FMCG. Starting your own import business. Want to launch your own brand? Start with market research. Pick a niche like supplements or baby food. Sources where Apeda decided between bulk or retail packs. Get your documentation ready. COA, MSDS, and FSSAI. Build a trust with branding. Imported from India. Sell via cafes, gyms, Amazon, or local distributors. Sourcing tips from India. Work only with APEDA certified suppliers. Choose a state like Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Punjab. Combine shipments for cost saving. Attend industry expo like India International Dairy Expo IIDE to meet supplier face to face. If you want to know about any other product from India, you can write down in the comment section and I will make a detailed video on it.